Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can then press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the Wi-Fi, and once you find it, tap on it, and here you probably will see the network your watch is connected to, if it is connected to any network. But what you are interested in is this option, Save Networks. So tap on it, and here we have the list of networks that our watch has basically saved. And when you're nearby the network, it will attempt to connect to it automatically. And if you want to disconnect from the network and you don't want your watch to connect to it, you need to tap on this network, or rather on one of the networks, and tap on Forget, and tap on the check mark to confirm. And now your watch won't connect to it, and if it was connected, it will basically disconnect. And if you want to connect to it again, you will need to basically go back, tap on Add Network, find it, tap on it, enter the password to connect to it. And once you're done disconnecting from the network, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.